Welcome to the Vila Centric Hotel in Tarragona. It's actually a lovely little hotel, and it's like a sister hotel of the Portaventura world. So, and to be honest with you, I mean, it's not a huge hotel with loads of stuff in, but very nice hotel, quality wise. Everything was very clean. The advertisement for Portaventura. The swimming pool out there, but the swimming pool was closed unfortunately because we turned up in the 2nd of November. So as of the end of October, everything closes down, all the swimming pools, etc, etc, etc. That's why we went to the Algar, so we could get a good swim. Nice chill pool table area. Right guys, so unfortunately this is the last day, so the hotel is Casa de la Shithole. So you got two single beds in this room, there you go. Sliding partitioning door, lovely. TV. And you got two singular beds there. It is an absolute state, but it's our last day. We're trying to figure out all the suitcases. There we go. We got Portaventura over there. Ferrari land. The beach. I love Spain.